Dear friends, welcome to Joe's Simple Kitchen. Today we are going to make Indian style masala pasta. For that we have 3 cups of pasta. We have rotini pasta. You can use other shaped pasta also. The other ingredients are we have green pepper, mushroom 1 cup, half cup of green pepper and half cup of chopped carrots. Here we have 1 cup of chopped red onion, thinly sliced, 2 medium sized tomatoes, bunch of coriander leaves, cilantro leaves, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and garlic. Here we have half cup of tomato paste. You can use tomato puree. The dry ingredients are we have mixture of fennel seed, cumin seed, each half teaspoon and quarter teaspoon of black pepper. We have, how much is this? Half teaspoon of chili pepper, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of turmeric and half teaspoon of coriander powder. And here we have bay leaf, star anise, cinnamon sticks, cardamom and cloves. We are going to cook in one shot in instant pot. Set the instant pot in saute mode and we will start the process. First we will add oil for frying onions and other stuff. Once the oil is hot, we are going to add fennel seed, cumin seed, pepper mixture first. Let it get fried for few seconds. Then we add bay leaf, star anise, cinnamon sticks, cardamom and cloves. Let it get fried for a minute to get the aroma. Then we add chopped onion. Now we add the red onion, chopped red onion. We have 1 cup of chopped red onion for 3 cups of pasta. This needs to be fried very well for Indian style pasta. This is going to taste more like biryani with pasta. You will love it. Give a try. So we need to fry this very well. It has to be light brown. While sauteing onion, you can sprinkle some salt. It will make it faster. Let it get cooked. It will take 3-4 minutes to get this light brown fried. Onion is fried very well. Now we will add ginger paste, garlic paste. It's around 1 tablespoon of each. This needs to be cooked for around 1 minute. You can use whole wheat pasta also. It tastes great with whole wheat pasta also. You can use other shapes also. You can try spaghetti, angel hair, fettuccine, any shape. But this is easy to cook. Rotini or penny shape is easy to cook in instant pot. Now we will add the vegetables, starting with carrot and green pepper. Once it's cooked for few minutes, we will add the mushroom. In 1 minute we add mushroom, around 1 cup. Let it get fried for a minute. Then we add tomato. Mushroom is cooked a little bit. Now we add tomato and chopped cilantro. You can add chopped mint also if you have. Now we can add the dry ingredients. Let's fry the dry ingredients for 1 or 2 minutes, then we add the pasta. Turmeric, cumin powder, coriander powder, chili powder and garam masala, each half teaspoon. You can add more chili powder if you want more spice. You can add chili flakes also, you can add it later also. Now we are going to add 1 teaspoon of salt after adding water, because pasta takes lot of salt. 1 teaspoon should be good. Once it's fried, now we add the tomato paste. Half cup. Let it get cooked for 2-3 minutes, then we add the pasta. Make sure instant pot is in saute mode until we put the lid and the whistle. Now we add pasta. Just fry it for 2 minutes, just mix it together. For 2.5 to 3 cups of pasta, we are going to add 5 cups of water. If required, we can add it later. 5 cups should be sufficient because we have a lot of vegetables, tomato paste. Now we add 5 cups of water. We add 1 teaspoon of salt now. After tasting, we can add more if required. Now it's all set. We have all the vegetables, onion, tomato, and we are going to cook in one shot. This pasta would be flavorful because we are going to cook it in the masala, and it's easy process, one shot process. Now we put the lid. We are going to cook it under pressure. Set the mode to pressure cook and cook it for 10 minutes. Pasta is cooked. We waited for more than 10 minutes. Now the pressure is released, pressure is gone. We can open it. Masala pasta, Indian style. We left it for 10 minutes. If you want it to be, you can take it earlier, you can release the pressure earlier. Now the pasta is very soft, but you can take it earlier to have the consistency, proper consistency. It smells so good. Masala pasta, Indian style masala pasta, cooked in instant pot, one shot cooking. Here you go. It smells so good here. This would be a variation from regular pasta. Give a try. Indian style pasta. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.